go. Oh no! Damn. I had no brakes right there. That was pretty crazy. Ooh. So, a little bit of damage here. Wing gone. Need a new wing. That's fine. Wheels fine. All the wheels are fine. Everything's good there. Front end's fine. Rear end, besides that little hiccup, not too bad. Let's go in here. Check under the hood. All right. iPhone is fine. That's good news for me. 80.8. I guess it really does go that fast. That is crazy. Can you guys see that? 80.8. I don't know how this little Max 8 is doing this, but this is really impressive to me. And this is on low gearing. So wow. Let's just go ahead and once we start gearing up, it should get interesting. Yeah, I might need new rims. This is getting sketchy now. Well, might just have a set of drift wheels. Oh, that's what happened. Sounds like the spool came off. That might have been what happened. I really thought that's... Well, it was spinning before. Oh yeah, that's pushed. It's not even close. So what happened here? Yeah, it looks like this got pushed off. Oh yeah, it's definitely loose. So I don't even know if that was low voltage right there. That could have just been, you know, an issue with the that could have just been an issue with the spool coming off, or I'm sorry, the pinion coming off, which is why, that's probably why I couldn't stop earlier. So that explains a lot, actually. So like I said, we're gonna start gearing this thing up. Should be interesting. Phone doesn't want to work now. Yeah, 80.8 somehow is the top speed I got, so. That's crazy. So 63. Yeah, I don't know what the hell. Oh, I probably didn't record it. But it does say all-time max speed 80.8 miles an hour. I'll go ahead and screenshot that. I'm gonna go ahead and pack up here. That's a little unfortunate that that's actually the second time that's happened to me, and I really do not want to. I do not want to red Loctite this. I do not want to do that. So, gosh, and I need some more space to really get that to mesh now. So I'm probably just gonna end up flipping the diff so I can push this out to where it seems like it wants to be. And go from there. Oh, did this die? must have cut off last time. But we should be cool by now. Well, yeah, there you go. I mean, besides a little crash there, that wasn't too bad. Got a new all-time high speed, almost 81, got 80.8. So I will be back in a few days. Definitely gonna switch the diff around, definitely gonna switch the gearing up. Hopefully should get a better top speed. Really happy with just changing the settings on this ESC and the results I was able to get. Now I just have to be extremely careful when I am driving it, because low voltage cutoff is off now. Also my temps have been turned really high up, so, or the cutoff temp, so I don't want to burn this thing out, but if I have to, I mean, you know, if it burns, whatever. I just don't want to waste money for no reason without getting a few good videos. All right, check you guys next time.